What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my world. So as you can see, I'm back out here in the streets. Friday nights are the okay nights. The Saturday nights, which is tonight, are the packed nights. So they got a lot of cars rolling in. There's already a couple of races set up. There's the EG hatch with a Type R in it with some nitrous versus this coupe right here has a turbo in it, and looks like there's a lot of different style cars, man. I don't know. Let's see what we can get into tonight. Another night in the streets. I mean, I'm not gonna do these videos all the time, but I figured since I'm out here, you know, this is what I'm doing, so why not put it on film and see if I can make some good content for you guys. It's thick tonight. How's it going, brother? This guy's about to do a burnout or something. Ain't got the bottle on the passenger seat. All right, yeah. $200 pot. Hey, nobody even talk. What's it? A Type R, right? That's what you said. Type R with just how much bottle? You know?
100.
At least 125. VTEC works. Who you got? All motor nitrous or turbo? Turbo. Which one you got? Yeah, but that hatch wasn't on a tire last night too. He's on a tire right now. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Second gear though. He went from first to third. That's still good race. That's his choice. You know, that's his choice. That's what he brought. That's what he gets. What's good? Bro, I don't know how far you guys can see down, but there's a lot of people here. both things. Filming and live. They're crazy for standing in the middle like this. Left lane, Mustang got him by a lot. Fancy.
That's how we doing it today, baby. Yeah, Tampa show. Ballers out today. We got ballers out.
They got music, they got everybody's vibing right now, dude.
We got hitters today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Stack back out.
They're just calling cars out now. Whoever wants to line them up. Oh, Axel? Oh, he's done. He's done.
That's some funny shit, bro.
Broken axle. That's how you get it done, man. Honda towing the Honda. What happens when you break an axle and all you know is Honda people? Well, it looks like them boys showed up. Guys, it's still the same day. I'm pulling up to the S1 built meet. They're doing like a end of the year meet. So let's see what kind of cars we have out here. Pulling up kind of late, but decided just to come through since I was still in town. Man, this thing is beautiful.
Yo, what up?
How's it going? Put their all-wheel drive kit. Why you follow me everywhere, bro?
Yeah, what's up, bro? I'll be everywhere, bro.
Everywhere, dog.
We gonna get clips of Emilio's world.
How's it going, man?
Nice to see you. Hey, just so people know, bro, I'm not only in the empanada game, I'm in the car game. Right?
In all the games.
Heavy.
All right, so I just left the S1 built meet, and there was a lot of cool cars up there. I got a couple shots of some of the cars, but I kind of got sidetracked just talking to people and just having some good conversations with some new people that I just met and some old faces. But right now we are heading back towards like the S1 built shop. We're gonna go and have some dinner. There's a bunch of us going out there, like Javi from H-Day. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen for the rest of the night, but I'm just gonna keep the camera on me just in case we do anything interesting. But yeah, I'll see you guys at dinner. Maybe I'll show you guys a couple clips of what I'm eating today. Let you guys know what's on the menu. I know you guys like those little food clips, even though it makes you kind of hungry. Some Korean barbecue with the S1 built gang.
I know my friend said Lou.
I want to see how much I'm eating.
All right, Jose. Well, the bathroom is right down there to the left, just in case.
Like I said, yeah, it would be.
Got it? That's right. I don't want you to go. I don't want you to be hurt. VIP.
Like, really, like,
If I have to make a phone call, I have to call.
So we're over here at this Korean barbecue spot. They told me that the galbi ribs are where it's at, so I'm gonna order that. See how it is. There's a lot of stuff here.
With the gift,
Jajangmyeon.
What are you eating?
I'm about to get the jajangmyeon.
Talk to these guys. The jjangmyeon?
Yeah, look right here. Where is it at?
I see it.
The handwriting is so small, bro.
Bro, where?
It's like hard to read.
It's right under the
Right
stir
here.
fried
Right here.
japchae noodle.
That's it.
Jajangmyeon.
Alright, man.
Close. Something like
That was pretty close, man.
That's like 5.
Korean pancake. She doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm just gonna show it.
She definitely didn't want to be a
Well, that didn't last long. That was really good. Of course I'm using my chopsticks. That spoon is just there for looks. Let's see your review on this. I haven't got my food yet. I'm the last one in line.
so
what you got?
I got the sweet and spicy
Is
pork.
it like the perfect amount of sticky, or you think it's
no,
too sticky, or?
This is the perfect amount of sticky.
Okay. What we got here?
This is the sweet and spicy pork. It's actually the perfect amount of sweet.
Yeah.
And the perfect
Take a bite of it. Let me see. Let me see what
Give you guys a little
Let
example.
me see what it looks like.
I'm gonna give you guys a little test drive.
I see.
Is it a test drive?
Test drive.
Let me see. Oh man, that's a big bite. That's a man bite.
That's good.
It's good.
That's real good.
All right, man. Well, one day I'll get my food and then I'll tell you how it is.
If you want to find good food, you just gotta find. You gotta follow him around.
We still haven't got our food yet, but we're waiting patiently.
I don't want to get in trouble, man. Don't make me talk.
Alright, so it was worth the wait. I think they added the egg just for me because I didn't see anybody else's with eggs on top.
No, because you got fried rice.
Oh, for the fried rice.
Nobody else got fried rice.
I ordered one. Oh, there's a lot of eggs on top of those. Never mind. $30, you eat all that.
And you said it tastes like grass. It's like eating grass.
It's like eating dirt.
Alright, so don't think about
So
it.
eat dirt for 30 bucks.
30 beans. The easiest 30 bucks you ever make.
All of it.
Let's get it, bro. 4 seconds.
All of it.
All of
All
it.
right, bring it on over.
Let's get it, bro.
I just ate like everything on the menu.
You did. That's why I'm giving you 30 bucks.
30 bucks, you gotta eat everything on this
All of
plate.
it, man.
I'm
You
not
gotta be,
eating that. I don't know. What
you gotta
that
be
is.
quick. You gotta be quick with it. Come on, bro.
I can't.
You
bro.
took one bite? It's $30, man. Be a man about it.
Go.
Quiet.
Just take it in big bites, bro.
Go.
Halfway there.
Go.
What happened, bro? You only took one bite. That's only one bite, dude. What happened, man?
Yo, you're already halfway there, dog. It's 30
You're
bucks.
almost there, dude. You didn't even take a bite.
Don't give up.
Swallow
Don't
it.
give up, bro.
Don't give up.
At this point, you might as well keep going.
Thank you very much. You got something to say, bro?
You good?
No?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
You good? Want some water?
Do you need
No,
some
no water,
water,
no water.
man?
You gotta get 30 bucks
You gonna
first.
throw up?
Oh my god.
16,
There's been like 40 seconds with you being quiet.
That's disgusting, bro. That is absolutely disgusting
It's
stuff.
it tastes like $30,
Okay,
man.
you're gonna have to double that up.
What?
60?
What?
18, 7.
What?
You eat that, and I'll give you $30.
You did eat it, didn't you?
Damn, he said you eat it. He'll give you 30 each.
There's a reason why I'm paying you, dog. I ain't doing that. Jose, you in here? Yeah. Man, I knew I'd find you in here, bro.
You already know.
I just want to say that all this footage that I gathered for this video was all in one day. So like I was out this morning at, went out there at like 12 a.m. and didn't get home till 4. Filmed some of the meat and I'm ending it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just throwing this together and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.